leaky showers are so annoying. How much water is wasted with this stinky faucet, which is a stinker. Drip, 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 so annoying. Drip, 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 drip.
Okay, Sam. So you are making your fake faucet, right? What are we using here? We're using a bag of fluids.
Yeah.
Right? With a controlled drip on it. And we want to have one drip how often? Every second, right. So we're going to use a stopwatch to try and get this to one drip every second.
This is how the faucet, this is how the shower is dripping.
Well, this is our pretend leaky shower. Alright, so we did 60 drips, 1 drip a second, into the cup. Hold it up, let's see how much is in there. Hold it up so I can see it here. So that is how much water we collected in 60 drops. 1 minute worth of a leaky faucet. All right, we just did 1 minute worth of our pretend leaky faucet. How long do you want to see now?
1 hour.
1 hour? You want to see how much water? How full do you think that's going to be in an hour?
Maybe like this. It's been over 11 minutes.
And what's going on now?
Now it's still filling up.
Can you point to where the water is? Sweet, okay. So after 10 minutes, or a little over 11, right?
Let's come back and check in 15 minutes. So it's been like 50 minutes, and the water was like right here to here, and now it's like right here.
So we'll be back when the whole hour's up, okay?
Yeah.
How many minutes was that?
Oh my god.
How many more minutes?
35.
35 more minutes.
And 43 hours.
Seconds.
Seconds.
Right. Okay, so we'll be back.
Yeah. Mom's making me eat a banana while I wait. It's been an hour and we got half a cup. This is 1 hour of a leaky faucet. And 23 more to go. $24. Yay! A fish could live in this. You could water whole trees with this. You could help somebody who's really thirsty. Fix your leaky faucets. Stop wasting water.